Head over to satellite.money and connect both your MetaMask and Kepler wallets. Select your source and destination chain, as well as the asset, and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Once everything looks good, autofill your MetaMask destination address and click Generate Deposit Address. Click Send from Kepler, confirm the transaction, and you're golden. Your assets are on the way to BNB Chain. Head over to ellipsis.finance, where you'll find a liquid pair for swapping AXL USDC to BUSD. Here, we're going to connect our wallet and swap the AXL USDC for BUSD. And that's it. You've swapped USDC on Cosmos for BUSD on BNB.
We're looking at some of our favorite projects in the Cosmos ecosystem. Two of them in particular even have such great tokenomics that 75% of their coins are already in the circulating supply. One project is claiming that anyone, yourself, myself, anyone can become a whale, and another one is super privacy focused. We are taking a look at all of them in this video. We're running down our top 5 favorite Cosmos projects. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie. This is Altcoin Buzz. We always wish you the best of luck if you choose to invest. Hopefully you're just a runaway success, but do not take this video to be official financial or investment advice because it is not. Also, don't forget that for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free for you to check out, and that means that you can get your hands on our great weekly update reports. These look at the crypto market and NFTs, and they come from our outstanding research team. You can check them out for free by clicking the link that's popping up now on screen, or the one that's included in the description of this video. All right, let's kick off at number 1 with Juno, which is a smart contract platform and the home of CosmWasm. It is also completely 100% community owned. So it's the second biggest smart contract platform after Ethereum's EVM, and developers use Juno to develop WASM VMs. So more protocols and apps have interoperable smart contracts. The ecosystem is growing fast, very quickly in fact, with lots of projects there, including White Whale for arbitrage. They migrated to Juno from Terra after the Luna implosion. There's also Kato for a fiat on-ramp and off-ramp directly to Juno. There's Juno Swap to swap any CW20 token standard tokens, Mint DAO for cross-chain NFT launchpad, and more. We like it a lot because the importance, first of all, of CosmWasm for smart contract alternatives to EVM is something very much vital to the growth and the success of Cosmos in general. And it feels like to be bullish on Cosmos is to be bullish on Juno. Juno also has excellent tokenomics. More than 75%, as I hinted, of the total supply of tokens are out there currently in the market as part of the circulating supply, so that's always a bonus. It's 64.3 million out of 92.8 million. So this means that there's no overhang of huge future supply, token unlocks or vesting schedules, all that kind of stuff to worry about. Also, no artificial increase in price due to a restricted supply. And this is always something that we love to see. Osmosis and Sift Chain within the Cosmos ecosystem are probably the easiest places to buy Juno. But don't let the low volumes scare you. Juno had a huge airdrop in 2021, and many passionate users, of course, are long-term holders. So float is low, but you can still go get yours. And you can also stake it for a net 33% APR after commissions for the validator, which is a very good deal. And again, it is not artificially inflated. Coming in at number 2 on our list is one we've talked about recently. It's Kujira. You've probably seen this in our 50x portfolio series. If you've watched those videos, then you're already a little bit familiar with Kujira. And their message is, and I quote, "Anyone can be a whale." And we think they mean it because the apps that they've developed, specifically Orca, are used to only be available to whales to give them a chance to make even more money. So Kujira is very much democratizing this process, and Orca lets you bid on DeFi loan liquidations of collateral. And with this bear market, we've had lots of liquidations, unfortunately. But Kujira lets you use their crypto-backed stablecoin USK to bid on the collateral at a discount. And for now, you can use Polkadot's DOT or Atom, ATOM, as your collateral to mint USK and make your bid. It's not all that complicated, but it may sound harder than it actually is. It's quite simple. And so you use the USK to bid on the Atom from liquidated loans, and you get to buy your Atom at a discount. It's a great service. And by the way, all fees go to the Kuji stakers. That's Kuji. We are fans. We like it for a few reasons. First of all, we like the democratization of a process that normally only huge investment houses in TradFi can do. And we also like that it made the fast pivot from the Terra Luna ecosystem to build out its own chain. That was definitely the right move. Now, we tried the service and got some Atom at a 4% discount, which is always sweet. And in a bear market, anything you can do to get quality for less is definitely an advantage. I mentioned the token, KUJI. It's also got great tokenomics, just like Juno. Again, more than 75% of the total supply is currently in the circulating supply. And in this case, it's 96.7 million out of a total supply of 122.3 million, which is, again, something that we love to see. MEXC and Osmosis are the two most popular places to buy KUJI. Okay, next up on our list is Kava, and really this is one of our favorite Altcoin Buzz gems. You may have heard us talking about why we like Kava with its Cosmos and Ethereum VM cochains and more. We actually tackled a whole bunch of reasons in this video that's playing now. Check it out if you've not already. We kind of like the fact that it's down 90%. It means that Kava is or was, depending on how you want to look at it, down 90% from its bull market highs. And yet nothing really has changed at Kava except for the things that have improved. So fundamentals are getting better, like their grants program, for example, their increased liquidity in Curve's 3-pool, the launch of their EVM chain, all good things. So fundamentals still look great for Kava. And the only difference right now is the price. And of course, we want to buy low and sell high. So we think it's a huge discount and a great opportunity to acquire real value right now. Secret Network is next up on our list here. It's really all the ease of use of Cosmos with a focus on privacy. That's the selling point. And all these centralized platform problems in the industry that we've been seeing are continuing to remind us that privacy and self-custody are vital to the long-term success of this industry. We've reported on Secret a few times now, including just recently, but there are two new things that you should be aware of. First, in a kind of a good news, bad news situation, a white hat hacker found a vulnerability in the privacy part of the Secret Network. The good news is it's been found, it's been reported, bounty's been paid, and it's been fixed. No one lost funds or anything to that effect in this exploit. That's the good. The bad is that during the time this exploit was there, many of the privacy aspects, like shielding wallet addresses, were made public. So Secret wasn't so private for a while, ultimately, and as a result of this. Will this be a long-term blow to investor and user confidence? Perhaps, but so far it has not been. The 7-day chart is mostly unchanged since this announcement, with SCRT ranging kind of between 75 and 85 cents. And then the second big development is very good in terms of news. So Secret's ecosystem is growing enough that on December 15th, they're having their first Secret Summit online. And you can expect from that lots of news and new developments to come out of the summit. So again, we like it because we love privacy, as we've already said. And next, this privacy exploit could have been a huge negative for users' trust in Secret to keep their on-chain information private. But so far, that has not been the case based on the reputation Secret has built over time. Third point is that this is another project with great and improving fundamentals, which, like Kava, may be down 90% from its bull market highs, but again, we think this is buying quality at a discount. Check it out. We think this one should be on your radar as well. Secret is available for purchase on Binance and Osmosis. And finally, on our list for today, last one is a true potential gem in the form of Axelar, which describes itself as the Stripe of crypto. So they are a cross-chain communication tool using mostly APIs, the same way Stripe uses APIs to make setting up payments across the web easy. Now, APIs are a great tool for adding utility to apps and protocols quickly and cheaply. And so we love infrastructure tools like this to make access to more apps and more chains that much easier. So this is kind of like selling the picks and the shovels during the gold rush and making your money that way instead of just hoping to strike gold per se. More than 24 blockchains and $1 billion in transactions are part of Axelar's experience so far. And all of that is happening behind the scenes. We like it so far because Axelar has an active grants program of up to $100,000 in funding. And their current wrapped versions of USDC and USDT, AXIUSDC and AXIUSDT are the most popular stablecoins in the Cosmos ecosystem right now. And we know, of course, that stablecoins are important. Although an important part of Cosmos, They also power many chain-agnostic apps like Satellite.money. Now, here you can see something that not every app can do in the form of connecting two wallets, MetaMask and Kepler. And on Satellite, thanks to Axelar, you can move coins like stablecoins, AXI/USDC to the BNB chain. Then Ellipsis Finance does the swap and exchange for BUSD. The practical uses for this are many, and that's probably an understatement. The most active markets for Axelar are currently Osmosis or Coinbase for the AXL token. Once again, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, for a limited time, we're offering you our Altcoin Buzz Access Group membership for free, which means you can also get your hands on our terrific weekly crypto and NFT reports. Those come from our outstanding research team. You can check it out. For more information, click the link in the description of this video.